Hello, what's up? This is Diosnedy Pelegrin, and thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick testimonial about myEcon. I've been in myEcon about 2 weeks. Here in a few seconds, I'm going to flip my camera around and actually show you my back office, show you the results I've had in just those 2 weeks. And it's incredible what this has done for me and many people on my team. So first and foremost, I'm just going to touch up real quick on what myEcon is. So myEcon is a financial and wealth educational platform, and it has things like income shifting membership, which shows you how to change and leverage your W-4 around so that you can put more money in your pocket every single week from your normal 9-to-5 or regular job. It teaches you how the wealthy invest that money and use different investments and cut off things like mortgages and high-paying interest rates by using that extra money you put in your pocket. There's also a smart credit member, so a smart credit repair kit, which basically what you're able to do is you're able to leverage that module on those platforms in order to legally improve your credit. It teaches you everything that the professional companies that charge you hundreds to thousands of dollars to improve and fix your credit by removing negative items, old items, and things that shouldn't be on no longer on your credit report. This product alone can get your credit score from where it is today all the way up to 750. There's also ID Defender. In this day and age we live, we're susceptible to many ID theft, hacks, fraud, scams. So ID Defender is something huge. That's also with the membership where you can get ID protection, and your ID, your social, your name is covered. Anything gets dinged, you'll get a report or an email telling you what to do and what to worry about. And they also offer you a money back guarantee in case you actually do get scammed or your ID gets stolen. And then the last one I'll touch on is Legal Club. You can call 1-800 number, get legal advice on over 8 or 9 different topics, things like bankruptcy, simple divorces, traffic violation, things like that. You call a number, ask some questions, get some consultation for free at no charge. If you do end up needing an actual lawyer for any one of the many things, you get at a very low and affordable rate because of the discounted rates that are negotiated with myEcon and many of these law firms. So those are just some of the products. However, the things that myEcon can do as well financially for you, if you love the system, love the product, and you decide to share it with others, whether friends, family, coworkers, neighbors, people you don't know on social media, there's also a huge income potential. And I'm going to flip my camera around here and show you what this has done for me in just a short 2 weeks. So let me flip my camera around. Here's the back office, obviously. And, just for those naysayers out there who say, this is a fake website, there's my URL. It's got my name on there, Diosnedy. And I just clicked on BMC Home, which takes me here. So if I click on reports here, the first place I'm going to show you is to prove to you when I joined this business. So sponsorship viewer. If I go up here, you'll see my name. You'll see my rankings. I'm active. I've sponsored 10 people myself. I activated May 29, 2018. And of those 10 people I sponsored, they have duplicated and multiplied to 562 as of today. That is huge. That's a full team effort there in order to get to that amount. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to show you my commission statements to show you what I've been able to generate in just a short 2 weeks, actually less than 2 weeks, and I'll explain to that here very quickly. So if you go here, my very first check with this business was for week ending June 1st. I just showed you I started May 29th through June 1st. That's only about 3 days worth of work. In 3 days, I was able to generate $457.30, which they paid out to me on Friday, June 8th. The second week, which is a full 7-day work week, a full 7 days, it was for week ending June 8th. The check was almost $1,900, and I received that direct deposited to my bank account on June 15th. So that shows you how a full week happened. Now, I'm telling you right now, my team is duplicating like you can't imagine. That $1,900, I know that this coming Friday in just a few days, it's going to probably be at minimum $2,500, maybe $3,000. And it's only going to continue to duplicate because the team is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. And my efforts are not just mine, it's my entire team. So I just wanted to share that with you. Those are my first legitimately 13 days worth of work or business, and I've generated $2,400. Now, income disclosure, those results are not typical, but I'm not a typical person. I don't know who you are. I can't give you any guarantees. But if you come out here and use our groups that we have, our live training, our recorded trainings, the resources we're providing, we're giving daily information and help to an entire team, which is now well over into the thousands, on how to do and replicate and duplicate what I've done and many other leaders have done as well. So I'm not sure where you're watching this video, but wherever you caught this video, watch this video, I'm pretty sure somewhere above, to the left, to the right, or below me, there's somewhere where you click, where you continue on forward to get signed up and join our group. If not, if it says on Facebook or anywhere, or YouTube, the comments link, click on the link, comment below that you want information, and whoever sent you this video, wherever you saw this from, I'm sure you can join our great team. So I look forward to seeing you on our team, and I'll see you inside of the business. Thank you, everybody.